Welcome back. This is part 2 of the NC Studio to Mach 3 conversion. Here you can see we've got the general setup of how you set this up to get started. So what we're looking at here, first thing we do is from the control box here, we actually plug in to the NC Studio for your original machine. It cable's about 2 meters long, so you've got quite a lot of flexibility there. We've also got here the e-stop, and we've got that plugged into the e-stop plug-in here. This is a very basic configuration, the minimum, where you're not using probing, tool height, or fourth axis, etc. We will go into all these later videos. As I say, we're trying to keep these videos short and succinct, so they only cover one thing, and then hopefully you'll never have to watch them again over and over again, or wait for trying to scroll through a long video to find the little bit you want. Okay, so what we've got here is we've got the Mach3 screen, as you can see here, and here we can see that we've got the Ethernet connection here, and that plugs into the UC400 on the control box, and that is all you need to set up. Obviously you've got the mains connection, and you're now kind of ready to go to the next stage, which would be looking at setting up the test procedures to make sure that the configuration of everything is correct, and we again will be doing that one step at a time. Okay, so on here what we've got is got the basic screen here. We've got some slight improvements of aesthetics. We've got here where you can have the MDI on the front, etc. Here you can see we've got the probing screen set for the 3D probe, and also when we're looking at this, you can see we've got the calibration for the 3D probe. Again, not trying to be too monotonous and repeating myself, but basically this will be shown in greater detail in another video. Last, you can see the semi-automatic tool change screen set. Again, we'll go through these one at a time, and these are very straightforward. And again, as I say, we're trying to keep this very succinct and very brief, so you don't have to go over this part over and over again. Once you've set all this up, you won't need to look at this video again. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll get on to part 3 very shortly.